How to tell if your website has Google Analytics installed. It's very simple. You're going to be installing a little browser extension on your Chrome browser. It's called Tag Assistant Legacy. Go ahead and install it and you'll see a little icon over here that looks like a smiley face on its side. And that is your Tag Assistant. Next, go back to your website and click on your icon and enable it. Next, refresh your website's page and then go back to your little icon and you will see what scripts or what tags are installed on your website. In this instance, I've got the GA4 code, which starts with a G for Google Tag. If you see that yours is a UA, starts with UA, then that is a universal analytics tag, and that's the old tag which will become obsolete. Watch the tech tutorial on how to set up and install the GA4 tag, because the UA will be obsolete as of next year and we need to install the GA4 tag as soon as possible. If you don't see any of the G or the UA tags here, that means Google Analytics is not installed on your website. And then you'll need to watch the tech tutorial on how to set up and install GA4.